Well, the contest is over and I have picked a winner for the GoPro. To be completely 100% honest, I wasn't exactly thrilled with any of the names, and there was at least one person that commented that did not follow the instructions and their subscriptions were not public, so I couldn't verify that they were subscribed to me, so that made sure that I wasn't going to pick them. So with that said, I know that today is that as I'm filming this, it's technically, this video is an hour late. I said it was going to be on June 1st, so it's June 2nd, about 1 in the morning. And yes, so the winner is A. Conforti, and I will go ahead and comment on your comment on the original video. But congratulations on the win. Go ahead and send me a message and give me your contact information through like private message or whatever, or if you want I can give you my email address, and anyhow, and just get me your mailing information and I will mail it out to you. So congratulations. And just thought I'd let you all know I do have a lot of videos in the works. I've just not quite been in the mental headspace to work on editing any of these videos recently, but I have a couple of videos in the works. They should be up soon, hopefully. And yeah, so thanks for participating in the comment or in the contest, and y'all have a great day, ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.